Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Neo 3, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, you'll want to swipe down twice from the top of your screen, which will reveal a bunch of toggles, one of them hopefully being the Do Not Disturb mode. Assuming I can find it. Or assuming that it's added by default. Now it looks like it's not, so I'm gonna look for it in the toggles that are turned off by clicking right here on this pencil, scrolling down, and oh, there we go. Do Not Disturb mode. So we're gonna grab it from here, drag it to the top, drop it, go back, and now we actually have access to it. So from here, hold it again, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function. Now going over some of the options in here. Number one, we have the turn on automatically, so basically a schedule mode. There is always one pre-made, would usually be called something like sleeping, starts at 10 p.m, ends at 7 a.m, runs every single day of the week, but it is turned off by default. So if you want to use it, you can just tap on the toggle to turn it on, and if you want to change it, you can tap on the time there, or just name of it, whatever, this area right here, and this will allow you to edit it, and you can obviously add additional ones. Scrolling down, we have allow to be disrupted, so these are exclusions that you can set up for the mode when it's enabled. So you can select who can message you, who can call you, and also no matter what you select for calls right here, you have additional option to allow repeated callers. So if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, even if they are excluded from this list right here, meaning that they shouldn't be able to reach you, if they meet the requirement right here, the call will go through and you will be able to hear it. Now once everything is set, you can close this up. You don't ever have to go back there again if you don't want to change anything. And find the toggle, tap on it to turn it on, and you're good to go. Now there's one caveat. When you do this manually, you will also need to remember to turn it off. And you can turn it off by finding this toggle again in the same place, tapping on it once more, and this will obviously turn it off. Otherwise it would just run indefinitely in the background. So that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.